My temperature is a little high.
The news says viral fever is spreading. We must be careful, especially for the children.
What should we do, Dad?
I'll get some medicine. Rest for now. Viral fever often causes high fever, body aches, and fatigue. Get plenty of rest and drink water.
Thank you, doctor. We'll follow your advice.
Will I get better soon?
Yes, with rest.
This tea is perfect.
Glad you like it. Don't forget to drink water and rest.
I will. You too, dear.
Of course, let's make it a habit.
That's it, dear. Don't forget between the fingers.
Okay, Grandma. I'm making sure they're really clean.
Good girl. Very thorough.
How is everyone? We must be careful. We are well, thank you. Any news on the fever?
Yes, cases are rising. We must wash hands and wear masks.
And avoid crowds? Exactly. Let's keep our distance.
It's so wonderful to be out here together again.
I feel so much better, Mommy.
The fresh air is perfect for us.
Look at the sunlight. It's magical.